Good morning, everybody. This is Nicole Wagner. I am an independent consultant with Rodan & Fields, and we have been given permission to make some short tutorials on our Radiant Defense. So I'm super excited to do an official one for you. I got asked by corporate Rodan & Fields to make the example video for the field, and then I forgot to actually go and make my own. So I'm going to start by just showing you how I just put on a base layer of my Radiant Defense, and then I'll make a separate video that shows you how you can also highlight and contour. I do want to say that the reason why I love this product so much, you guys, and I'm a makeup artist, I literally have a drawer full of foundations I haven't touched since September when this launched. That took me very much by surprise, did not expect that, but I love it that much. I can actually say that I am obsessed with this product. I use it daily. I love it. It gives me that little bit extra boost of confidence, and it just has completely blown me away. So couple of the things to note: this isn't foundation. This is called Radiant Defense Perfecting Liquid, and that's what it is. It's a perfecting liquid. It's actually a dermocosmetic, so it's good for your skin. It's going to help repair the moisture barrier of the skin. It's going to defend against environmental aggressors. It's going to do all kinds of great things to protect your skin. It's got SPF. But it does have this beautiful texture, this beautiful tint. Everybody who has tried it has said to me, it doesn't look or feel like I'm wearing anything, but it looks so good. And I'm like, yes, it is amazing. So I mixed some, we have 6 shades. So this is just one of our sample cards, but we have 6 shades, and ignore my nails that I have to get done. So because I have a little bit of a tan left still from Mexico, I mixed our number 2 and 3 shade, which is beige and sand. So I'm just gonna take that on my Radiant Defense brush. You guys know I make brushes, and I still love this brush for this, even though I have my own brush line. So you can see, you guys, I'm gonna start by doing half my face so you can see the difference. It's so subtle, but beautiful. I mean, it is a truly beautiful product. Everybody should be using this. Everybody. My daughter wears it. She's 14. It protects her skin. She wants to wear a little bit of makeup, and I love that she loves this because it's good for her skin, and I'm not worried that it's clogging her pores, that it's going to cause acne, any of those things. So this is one side done. This is the side that's not done, and you can see it's just beautiful. It gives a glow. It actually diffuses light. So what it does is it kind of bounces this light off your skin and gives this just honestly a beautiful, natural looking glow. Everybody that has tried this product, I've done a bunch of events at my house. Not one person hasn't fallen in love with it. Not one. So I go right up under the eye, just like that. So that's it. If you need to blend it down your neck, you can a little bit, but it's beautiful. I'm ready to go. I've got some mascara on. I've got my lip gloss on, and I'm out the door. That is my daily routine. So remember to read the instructions. Your results may vary from mine, and just follow the directions. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I can't wait to help you find your perfect shade.